Hi friends, we are going to Chennai from Bangalore in a double-decker train and I'm going to show the facilities of it. So come, let's go on to the video. Now this is my house and I am going to the cab and going to the Auro station. So come, let's go on a bit fast. Here, I am on a cab right now and we are heading to Puram in Bangalore station. So, I am gonna show a view of my cab. Okay, let's see how my cab looks. That's a Ola driver has Ola. So here is the largest IT park, that is the Smarttech park, which is nearly to my house only. So this is a view of it, the Smarttech park. It's an IT park. So yet now we have reached the Puram station. Here the place is very neat actually to tell, and there are many signs and boards of good thoughts given here, and the station is also clean, not so clean but clean. Yeah. How clean the station is, and there's a view of a goods train I'm showing. So it's very nice. There are only 3 parts in that. I have entered the train and I am in the upper coach. So I have put in a fast forward because it takes a lot of time for moving at all, moving only, and it takes about 3 to 4 minutes for moving going out of the platform. So I have put it into 1.5x speed. So this train is very comfortable and safe. And now I'm gonna show you some of the facilities in this train which is available. So without wasting time, let's move and see it. The first one is the foldable table. A foldable like this. It is suitable for eating in all purposes. You can see a round circle there which is fit for keeping bottles, and this place is very comfortable for keeping your food, and the maids always clean it after each and every ride to like Bangalore to Chennai or Chennai to Bangalore. Another specialty is every rides or every trips you'll be having one or the other people selling things. It's a very special thing actually to tell about them. You could see after 5 minutes one will come, after 3 minutes one will come selling many things like tea, coffee and bondas and bhajis. Here you can see one more guy selling something like water also, and I forgot the catering name, but it's a very good thing, very good cater. And the next facility is you have facility of keeping water bottle here, and you could keep it, take it, fit any type of bottle and without making it fall down. And other thing, you have it for two sides, that is 2 seats. And the next thing is this bag top thing, and this thing helps to keep things like bottles and other waste things. So, to tell about bathrooms, I have visited many of the trains in which bathrooms are very bad. But in double decker, it's so neat that the flush and the pouring of the water and the sprinkler and the everything here is very good. I'm in the Indian toilet now. The western is full of crowd, and I'll show if I can. The next one you're seeing in all some of the trains, it's the seat one. You can pull the seat very much. It's nice, and the quality of the seat is very good. You can see how touchy and nice it is. It's awesome for sitting too. So the one more feature is the shape type feature. So if there's a more sunlight, you can close it like this, and there are 2 parts, and you can get rid of the brightness. And the 2 parts are this, one up down and one more down. So you can't see it because of the darkness there. And this is one of the good things I have seen in double decker train, or I have visited in double decker train. And this is the full view of the train from the double top and the down deck. I was walking a bit fast so I couldn't shoot properly. I have stabilized it a bit here. Sorry for it. And you could see how nice it is. The people who are sitting down can see the downer part of it, and people are sitting up there in high position of the top. They're on the top. So that's it for today, guys. And this video I made because I didn't get any topic for today, and I'm heading to Chennai. And double decker is a very good train which has many good facilities and other things which other trains don't have. And the main thing I liked here is the toilet, which are very neat, but other trains I saw it was very bad. And this train passes through very naturable places that we can't do anything. So it's very nice beauty. So you could see some of the shots here. And by concluding, I just want to tell you one thing, that please visit all of the places. Now also I'm seeing many of the places like the agricultural lands where you should see it once in a lifetime to get enjoyed in our life. So thanks for watching this video. If you're going this train, have I want to tell you that I have done mistakes in this. That is the quality of the sound, which is not good here, and I shake very much. So sorry for it, guys. And the next video I'll really improve it, and some really good shots I will show you. Oh wait. So I just want to show you one scenario which I shot. So here you could see a mountain filled above sand. That's totally an impossible thing, right? But it is possible, and now you're seeing it, right? Half the mountain is filled with sand. So that's why I told you, watch these miserable places because they are really very good to watch. And So once in a lifetime, you should watch it. And by the way, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And signing up to Santosh Smarttech. Bye. Meet you in the next video. Bye.